This is our first look at DJI's new pocket camera, the Pocket 4. But this time, it's not just another low-resolution photo captured during testing. It's the first detailed image of the box. It actually shows us how it will look like. However, you might be wondering why it has just one camera instead of the double lens setup we had already seen in older videos. That's because this is not the Pro version. It's what can be considered the real Pocket 3 successor. According to the newcamera.com, it will feature a 1-inch sensor yet again, but it will record up to 4K at 120 frames per second, with a refined autofocus system with object tracking. The Pocket 4 will also see a battery upgrade, now ensuring more than 200 minutes of video recording. Speaking about the design, while it might look very similar overall, we can notice two new buttons that can be revealed when the screen is rotated horizontally. The left one controls the zoom, while the one on the right is customizable. But the most interesting part is definitely the Pro version, the biggest change the DJI Pocket has ever seen. It will feature a double camera setup with dedicated wide and zoom lenses. The main camera should still be powered by a 1-inch sensor, which is rumored to be 50 megapixels, and according to Drone XL, it might be able to record up to 6K at 60 frames per second, and in 4K at 240 frames per second, with 10-bit and D-Log-M support. While the secondary telelens should provide an optical zoom ranging between 2 times and 4 times, with a 1/1.1 inches sensor. The battery will also be upgraded from 1300 to 1545 mAh. Unfortunately, the price could be higher for both versions, ranging between $700 and $750 for the Creator Combo. The release date is getting closer. I would say they might come out between the end of February and the first half of March. So subscribe to not miss any new update through the channel's posts and drop a like if this video was helpful.